What is severe thunderstorm warning?
Weather bulletin. For the
I don't have my 120 now, so.
Allegheny, Armstrong, Butler, Fayette, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, eastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near West Kittanning to near Uniontown, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected.
Whoa.
Locations impacted
Whoa.
include
Look at that. We have one.
McKeesport, Indiana, Jeanette, Latrobe,
What?
Connellsville, Vandergrift, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 40 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 51 and 99. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 82 and 84. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.